Hello all, we are the students of RMT Engineering College, second year ECC. This is our linear integrated circuits project. The project title is Triangular Wave Generator. The members of the project are Nitish Kumar, myself Prasad, Rahul B, Munish Kannan. Triangular wave or triangle wave is non-sinusoidal waveform named for triangular shape. It is periodic, piecewise, linear, continuous real function. This is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of the project.
Hello everyone, I am Monish Kannan here. Part circuit: one operational amplifier, three 1K resistors, one 10K resistor, one 100K resistor, one NF capacitor, one UF capacitor. Operational amplifier. Operational amplifier are also known as voltage comparators. When the voltage at the non-living inverting input is higher than the voltage of inverting input, then the output of the comparator is high, and if the voltage of the inverting is higher than the non-inverting end, then output is low.
Hello all, I'm Nitish Kumar here. I'm going to explain about the working of this triangular wave generator. Initially, this capacitor will be discharged. Then this puts the inverting input at a voltage lower than the non-inverting input, which is nearly half the supply voltage from the resistor divider. Then this output goes high till the capacitor voltage goes above half the supply voltage at a point which the voltage at the inverting input is greater than the non-inverting input. The output then goes low, discharging the capacitor, and at the same time, the 10K resistor acts as a hysteresis. When the output goes low, the bottom leg of the voltage divider now has a 1K and a 10K in parallel. This just decreases the overall resistance and reduces the reference voltage. And the values of this hysteresis resistor, the resistor divider can be changed to increase or decreasing the frequency. Finally, the output of the op amp is then AC coupled to produce a signal that has an equal positive and negative swing. This signal can easily be amplified. This is the circuit diagram of it. And this gives the output of it. This is the triangular waveform of this resistor.
The applications of triangular wave include sampling circuits, thyristor for firing circuit, frequency generator circuit, turn generator circuit, and etc. Thank you for all who are watching our video and spending a valuable time. Thank you.